Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates, all you know, and you will get interview related career guidance as well as tips in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. In today's video, I am going to discuss about 3 candidates interview experience on 4th of October in TCS Ninja examination. So they have shared their experience with us, so I will discuss those questions now. And if you really like this content, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And if you really dislike this video, you can click on dislike button, because we provide quality content, you can trust on us. So let's get started. So most interview questions they have asked, let's discuss first. Okay, so like these are the few questions you can check. For the first candidate, total time taken was 25 minutes. Okay, and first they asked him from the HR team, is he ready to relocate or introduce himself, and is he ready to do the shifts work. Then the technical round started. Difference between MySQL and SQL. If x equal to 0, then x plus equal to 1 will give how much of value. If x equal to 0, then a equal to plus x will return how much of value. Which technologies you are familiar with. Why stdio.h is used in in C. How to remove the duplicate elements from array. Then from managerial round, he got explain any of your 2 projects, which technology you are familiar with. Have you heard about quantum technology? So these few questions they asked. Actually, you need to prepare your resume very well. So, and also you have to mention, also you have to prepare very well about your project. Okay, as you are mentioning in your resume, so you have to very clear about project, your role in your final year project, or any 2 projects you have done. Most of the candidates, like they do the industrial training in any recent technologies, like some of them do in cloud computing, some of them are doing in advanced Java, Node.js also. So if you have done their 1 project, then mention that one also. And if you have done in your final year project the final year project, then prepare very well both that project. Okay, so for candidate 2, they asked first about the self intro. Then as he mentioned that he have knowledge or his favorite language is Python, they asked like local and global variables, what is those in Python, what is loops, docstring, function, list and tuple, data structure. Then he is from EC branch, so EC based questions also they asked, like which is your favorite subject, some gate related question, or gate NAND gate related query they have asked. Then from the HR round, they asked plans for higher education, willing to relocate or not, if he have any backlogs, if he ready to do shifts. Then for the candidate 3, again self intro was done. Then language he is comfortable with, like Python in his case. What is mutable and immutable data types, how is the tuple different from list, package versus module, docstring is common question for both the candidate, as you see. Polymorphism, method overriding and overloading. Then in managerial round and HR round, they asked about where Python can be used in the stream of engineering, why TCS, why IT, like as he is from non-CS IT background. Then they asked what is the biggest decision you have made, relocation or shifts, all those stuffs. Okay, so these questions you need to prepare, because most of the students are getting similar like pattern. So prepare very well. I have shared 3 candidates interview experience from 4th of October. So hope this really helps you guide. Please let us know by commenting in our video section, in the comment section, that you are liking these videos. If you want this type of videos, please let us know. I will try to provide more experience related videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you.